Hello, my name is Owen Lindsay, and this is for CST 239. We were asked to incorporate some network elements and use those to help out with our milestone project here. First thing we're going to look at is the UML diagram here. We have our admin start here and our customer start here. I want to note that our admin start is going to have the ability to manipulate the inventory using JSON as well as generic object modifiers. That's really the bulk of this project for this week, was working out how to find threading to utilizing multi-network threads to get you where you need to be. Here I have my program running currently. We can go ahead and take a look at what is going on here. We can view our inventory, and it'll display as such. We can even go by price descending, so from highest to lowest here, or we can even return to the main menu again. Going even further, we can start looking at our items. From here we can decide which item we would like to choose. From here we can choose out of which category which item we would like. So let's say we want number 2. How many of that item would we like? Let's say 10. And let's go ahead and view our cart. See, our cart prints out that we have 10 here. So we are virtually, we're good. That's our shopping cart. It'll return us. We'll go back. We can even return the product. 5, and then we can look at our shopping cart. And there we go. Okay. We can start going through the project as well. Here I have my storefront. I would like to point out in the storefront, not much has changed, but it is the class that is carrying most of the weight. This, you can see our menus and whatnot are for the most part here. We have also added this unknown host exception, this IO exception. Just a few odds and ends, nothing significant here. However, shopping cart changed a little bit. We got iterators in there to be able to show you your shopping cart. We got that working last week. It was not working. This week it is. Figured it out, what was going on there, so that's really nice. Weapons looks the same. Our inventory manager looks significantly different. Mostly because I rewrote this entire section using collection sort and really parsing through it and trying to figure out why I was having such an issue last week, and it was actually because I had a semicolon here, so nothing was reading. Fix that up. Got some getters and setters. Health looks the same. Let's see, salable. This doesn't look all that different. I figured out what was happening here as well. I was getting such a hard time from all of this, I was just missing this method right here. So yeah. Now we can look at our admin. Admin is you're gonna be able to restock the inventory. You're gonna be able to see the current inventory from it, and it'll clear the JSON file as well. So this is kind of what it looks like. What's going on here? Our customer file, I mostly just copied the activity, kind of just fell along with what was going in the activity and worked pretty well, I would say. Here's our server. These are some of the outputs that you would get. So you'd have the waiting for client. As soon as the client socket gets accepted here, it'll print out that it's received the connection, and then it'll start running as such. When it comes to the server, it'll run, but there's an issue on the customer side. My port address is already being used. I'm not understanding why. I looked at my console. I couldn't find the PID that was having the issue. Maybe the fact that I just have insufficient memory is causing the problem. I don't know. I've also started on this file writer so I can start getting a JSON file. This is just kind of a bare bones of it right now, because I don't have the readback file or class in here just yet. So I'm almost done with this as well. So we're almost there. We can run admin really quick. I think that's the last thing that I have. And admin works, but you cannot have anything open. So here. Yeah, again, I don't understand what is happening. All of these were running just fine until I tried to compile it for the last time, and it was telling me that this port is taken. Let's see. Okay. Admin. Yeah, but that's my project. Thank you.